Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about the recent medication errors that have occurred on our ward. We need to identify the root causes and implement measures to prevent future incidents.
That's a serious concern, Mihira. I believe one of the main issues is the high workload and stress that our staff is facing.
That's a valid point. Overwork can lead to mistakes and errors. We need to ensure that our staff are adequately staffed and have sufficient breaks to avoid burnout.
Another potential issue is the complexity of medication regimens. Some patients are taking multiple medications, which can increase the risk of errors.
You're right. We should review our medication administration processes and identify any areas for improvement. Perhaps we could implement a double-checking system to verify medication orders and dosages.
Mihira, we should also consider providing additional training on medication safety and handling.
That's a great suggestion. We can organize workshops or provide online resources to help staff stay updated on medication safety practices.
Mihira, I understand how incredibly frightening and overwhelming it must be to witness your child having a seizure. It's a very distressing experience for any parent, and I want to reassure you that your feelings are completely normal. First, I want you to know that seizures in children are not uncommon. While they can certainly look alarming, they occur for various reasons, and it doesn't automatically mean your child has epilepsy or will face long-term issues. Many children have one or a few seizures and never have another one again. There are several reasons why a child might experience a seizure. Sometimes, it's due to a febrile seizure, which is a seizure triggered by a high fever, especially in young children. Other times, it could be related to things like dehydration, a minor head injury that might not have seemed significant at the time, or in some cases, underlying neurological conditions. Our role now is to investigate the cause of your child's seizure so we can understand it better. It's a lot to take in, I know. Please, feel free to ask me any questions you have.